Hello viewers, if you face Instagram story disappear problem, let's see how to fix Instagram story highlight missing problem. Step 1. Long press or long tap in Instagram application. Go to apps info, click on storage, again click on clear data, tap on clear cache data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to search Instagram app, update your Instagram application latest version. Step 3. Again open your phone setting, search Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 4. Restart your device. Open your Instagram app. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram story disappeared problem or Instagram story highlight missing problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.